Hello students, myself Rakesh Misra from Alpha Public School, Gola Bazar. Here, I am going to talk about structure of heart. This is very important to know how to draw the heart. So in this video lecture, we will learn how to draw the heart. Actually, in class 10th, you have learned the circulatory system of human being. In that, I think your probable practice may done over the heart. But in this video lecture, we will learn how to draw the heart, that is standard diagram of heart, how to draw the standard diagram of heart. In this video lecture we are going to begin. So first of all, let us see the different parts of heart. Has the two different wall layer, the right atrioventricular wall and left atrioventricular wall, and then the complete clenched fist shape heart actually need to draw. What is clenched fist shape heart? बंद मुट्ठी के जैसे स्ट्रक्चर रहता है हार्ट का, जितना बड़ा हमारा मुट्ठी उतना ही बड़ा हार्ट का शेप एंड साइज होता है. ठीक है, तो हार्ट के फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. फिलहाल इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम यही जानेंगे कि हार्ट के स्ट्रक्चर को कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहले जैसे जैसे मैं लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, सेम आप उसी तरीके से लाइन को ड्रॉ करेंगे. ठीक है, इस पार्ट को आप बना लीजिए. जब बन जाए तो आप बता दीजिएगा. ठीक है, आप ये वाला पार्ट, दिस पार्ट शुड बी द नैरो एंड दिस पार्ट शुड बी ब्रॉडर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मिड लाइन यहाँ पे आप ड्रॉप करिए और इसको लेकर के नीचे आइए और यहाँ से इसको पुट आउट कर दीजिए. बन गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट डायग्राम बनता जाए तो अच्छा है. दिस इज एक्चुअली दिस रिप्रेजेंट द थिक मस्कुलर पार्ट ऑफ द हार्ट. दिस इज द थिक मस्कुलर पार्ट ऑफ द हार्ट. Listen, thick muscular part of the heart. Lower portion of heart is very thicker. Actually, we are going to talk about LS heart. Heart को 20 से ऐसे काटा गया है. So, lower portion of heart is very thick because each time there is a need of a heavy pressure applied by the heart. So the lower portion is thicker than the upper portion. ठीक है, इतने पार्ट बन गए. This is the left side of the heart and this is the right side of the heart. Now back to draw the vessel. हार्ट के डायग्राम को जैसे मैं बना रहा हूँ आप बनाते रहिए. ठीक है, this portion collect the blood to the heart. This portion also collect blood to the heart. The right side of heart has two different valves. This is the valve of heart. ये जो पाइपलाइन स्ट्रक्चर जा रहा है ये आगे चल के वेसल्स बनाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड मेन आर्टरी. So main artery has also the valve this also has valve, and this is the pulmonary artery, this also has the valve. Listen, the pulmonary artery, one move to the left side and other move to the right side. This move to the left side and this move to the right side. This is the right portion of heart that also has the valve. इसमें भी valve होगा. ये भी valve होगा. ये भी valve है, ये भी valve है, ये भी valve है, ये भी valve है. ठीक है, सभी valve के अभी लेवलिंग हम कर दे रहे हैं. पहले हार्ट का कंप्लीट हमको स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है. हार्ट का स्ट्रक्चर हमारा कंप्लीटली बन गया है. ठीक है, अब इसकी लेबलिंग करनी है. आई होप डायग्राम ऑफ हार्ट इज आई थिंक क्लियर. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग द लेबलिंग और डायग्राम, देन यू कैन डाउनलोड द वीडियो एंड प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ विद द स्लो डायग्राम, दैट इज द स्लो वीडियो विद द वीडियो लेक्चर. आई होप योर कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी क्लियर आफ्टर गेटिंग द नॉलेज हाउ टू ड्रॉ द वीडियो, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द हार्ट. ठीक है, ये डायग्राम बना नहीं पाता, डायग्राम तो प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा तभी इस पे बन पाएगा. अब उसकी लेबलिंग करते हैं. ठीक है, हार्ट बेसिकली हैज 4 चैम्बर, 1 2 3 4. In previous class you have learned the 4 chambered of heart. In this video lecture you are watching that the 4 chamber. These are the different 4 chamber. These 2 chamber is called atrium. So one thing should be in your mind. This is atrium. This is also atrium. Sometimes it's know about the auricle. So it is atrium or auricle. It is atrium or auricle. It is the right, it is the left side of the heart. So this is the left atrium or left auricle, and this is the right atrium or right auricle. ठीक है, the lower portion is ventricle. Ventricle. So this is the part of left side, so it is the left ventricle, and this is the part of right side, so it is right ventricle. Right ventricle. The left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. ठीक है, ये क्या है? सेप्टम. ये क्या है? सेप्टम, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं वॉल है. सॉरी, ये वॉल्व है. ठीक है, वॉल्व को क्या बोलेंगे? लेफ्ट एट्रियो वेंट्रिकुलर वॉल्व. लेफ्ट एट्रियो वेंट्रिकुलर valve. This is called left atrioventricular valve. और इसको तब क्या बोलेंगे? Right atrioventricular valve. ये right atrioventricular valve है, ये left atrioventricular valve है. Left atrioventricular valve is called mitral valve. This is called mitral valve. This is sometimes known as the bicuspid valve. This is known as bicuspid valve, and this is called tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. अब ये बाई और ट्राई कॉन्सेप्ट कस्पिड का क्या लोचा है, इसको भी देखना, आपको समझना है. लिसन, जब इसको आप मैग्नीफाई करेंगे, इस वॉल्व को जब आप मैग्नीफाई करेंगे एक पार्ट को जब मैग्नीफाई करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, इसके 3 डिफरेंट लेयर्स मिलेंगे इस तरह से 1 2 3 1 2 3 डिफरेंट आपको लेयर मिलेंगे। दिस इज मेड अप बाय वेरी फाइन स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नोन एज कॉर्डी टेंडिनी। This is made up by chordae tendineae. And features of chordae tendineae that they are flexible. Features of chordae tendineae, they are flexible and they can retain its shape and size even there is a pressure applied over them. It means अगर ये ऐसे है, इसमें प्रेशर अप्लाई करके सीधा किया जाए, प्रेशर जैसे हटेगा एक्चुअल अपने सिचुएशन में आ जाएगा। प्रेशर नीचे से पड़ता है तो ये दोनों वॉल आपस में चिपक जाते हैं, इसलिए नीचे का ब्लड ऊपर नहीं जा सकता, एक ही पार्ट है इसके जाने का। ये यहाँ नीचे से प्रेशर पड़ेगा, ये दोनों आपस में चिपक जाएंगे, इसलिए ये इस रास्ते से निकल जाएगा, फिर वापस नहीं आ पाएगा, तो वापस से ये एक और वॉल्व है एक्स्ट्रा जो हमारे वेसल्स में होता है। तो पहले वेसल्स की लेवलिंग कर ले, फिर वॉल्व को समझते हैं। ये चारों चैम्बर आई थिंक क्लियर हो गया होगा। देयर इज अ सेप्टम इन बिटवीन द राइट एंड लेफ्ट हार्ट। This septum is known as atrioventricular septum. Atrioventricular septum. Atrioventricular septum. And this is the atrioventricular valve. This is the atrioventricular valve. This is the left part and this is the sorry. This is the left part and this is the right part. Now back to the next important, that is vessels. Vessels that carry blood from the lungs to the heart. This is the vessels that carry blood to the heart. It means in the right atrium, this 2 vessels is known as the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carry blood from lungs to the heart. So this is the left pulmonary vein and this is the right pulmonary vein. Right pulmonary vein and left pulmonary vein. Listen carefully. And when the blood comes in the region of left atrium, then it will flow down and move into the left ventricle. When left ventricle make the pressure, then blood enter to the very important vessels. This vessels is known as the main artery. This is known as the main artery. It is sometimes known as aorta, and this is called as arch of aorta. Arch of aorta. This curved structure is known as arch of aorta, and this flow blood to the different parts of the body, to the top and to the bottom. So this is the part of main aorta that carry oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the body. This part is known as the dorsal aorta. Dorsal aorta. ठीक है, डॉर्सल aorta का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया, मेन aorta का क्लियर हो गया, मेन आर्टरी का क्लियर, सब एक ही नाम है, that carry the oxygenated blood. So the wall inside the dorsal aorta is called as, or main wall inside the main artery, that is called as the semilunar wall of main artery. Semilunar wall of main artery. Semilunar valve of main artery. This is the semilunar valve of main artery. This is also valve that is called semilunar valve of the main vein. ये क्या है? main vein. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं semilunar valve of semilunar valve of main vein. Semilunar valve of main vein, and this is the semilunar valve of main artery. So when blood flow to the different parts, then it will collected later through the main vein. This is the main vein, or sometimes known as vena cava. This is the ventral vena cava. Ventral vena cava, and this is the dorsal vena cava. Dorsal vena cava. This collect blood and flow them into the right atrium or right auricle. This will flow down and move into the right ventricle. When further force applied by the lower from the lower part of heart, then the blood move inside the very special part of the body, very special part of the vessels, that is known as the pulmonary vein. So this is the pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary artery, sorry. This is the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. And this pulmonary artery carry blood to the different other parts. Listen. Semilunar valve of main vein, it is the semilunar valve of pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Listen. This is the artery, but this is the main artery. This is also artery, but this is the pulmonary artery. ठीक है, दिमाग में रखिएगा. This pulmonary artery carry blood to the lungs, that is to the lungs at the right side and left side. This is to the left side, so this is called left pulmonary artery, and this is the right pulmonary artery. Further, after deoxygenation of blood, the blood returns back to the left atrium. This is overall structure of the heart. The heart, one more thing, there is the very fine particles, that is fine spots found, that is known as fossa ovalis. This is called as fossa ovalis, and this will actually transport the blood from right side to the left side during early embryonic development. During early childhood stage, the fossa ovalis carry the blood from left to the right to the left side. Now back to the layer of heart. The heart has two additional layer as like the lungs. The outer layer is known as the parietal pericardial. Parietal pericardial layer, and this is the visceral pericardial layer. Visceral pericardial layer. So outer parietal pericardial and inner visceral pericardial layer. Keep in mind. And there is a gap, there is a space between two cardial layer. That space is known as the pericardial cavity, and there is a fluid filled in between them, that is called as pericardial fluid. Now the inner wall of heart has three different layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. That is from the protective layer of heart. So this is all about structure of heart. In next video lecture, we will talk about the remain portion of heart, that is we will talk about the full explanation of heart, that is function of different parts of heart. Thank you.